You may have heard the term artificial intelligence, AI. But what does it really mean? Simply put, AI is any computer program that uses pattern recognition to help it think like the human brain. AI in everyday life. Believe it or not, you've probably already used some form of AI. Here are some examples. Alexa or Siri. You ask a question, and they answer. Google search. You type a question, and it finds answers for you. Netflix or Amazon recommend things based on what you have chosen in the past. Unlike Alexa or Siri, a new form of AI called Generative AI or large language models uses vast worlds of information that enables it to converse with you and create text and art based on your requests. There are many tested models out there: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Copilot, and Meta AI. Conversational AI doesn't just give short answers. It has conversations. Unlike a Google search, it doesn't just send you to a website. It explains these things directly. Unlike a customer service chatbot, it isn't just programmed with a few responses. It can talk about many topics. One specific use of artificial intelligence is like an old-fashioned telephone call, but with a research librarian or an expert. That's the chat function of AI. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That's a fancy way of saying it's designed to chat with you in a conversational way in your own language. It can also create content, everything from drafting letters and poems to immediately responding to requests for information. It can help with organizing or planning, from planning a trip to planning meals, based on what you have on hand. But then, it continues the conversation when you ask it to adapt a recipe to your diet. This is different from a typical online search. It answers in seconds with a full conversation in any language, and without judgment. That's conversational AI in a nutshell. You can choose whichever chat you prefer, but always remember, just as with meeting a new acquaintance, you must be careful. A popular conversational AI program is ChatGPT. Generations Online has built a special teaching version to guide you onto ChatGPT, especially designed for older adults. The way we talk and listen and remember. It won't share anything you say and is a safe space to practice using this tool. Generations Online's chat is powered by ChatGPT, and it's called I'm a Computer, just to remind you of its limitations. As with any tool, it can be a great help, but it can also be misused and misguided. Remember, it doesn't replace human connection and can unintentionally make mistakes. But it also can be a really useful tool that adapts changes and learns from the person using them. It's important to understand it even if you choose not to use it, because others are. So, play with IMA. Let's have elders be ahead of the game with this technology, not left behind. So, give it a try.